Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for Agency. Learn how we can integrate with agencies. CallRail offers complete visibility into your digital marketing efforts. Our analytics platform can help you boost client success while sustaining growth. Smarter marketing for agencies and your clients. Manage clients in-app with Account Center. These Account Center upgrades aim to make it even easier to manage multiple clients within CallRail. Previously, CallRail users had to create a new account with its own login information for each new client, and every account was managed individually. The Agency Marketer's Guide to Client Retention. In today's agency landscape, it's about 4 times more expensive to earn new clients than it is to retain existing ones, yet many agencies face churn rates upwards of 40%. It's more important than ever for agencies to master client retention so they can grow their businesses. Connect phone and web leads to your marketing. Add form tracking to call tracking and open up insights into all your lead activity. Try it free to find out which marketing works, online and off. Don't guess which marketing's working. Know with call tracking. Under the hood, call tracking uses dynamic number insertion to keep track of online activity like PPC ads, emails, social media posts, and keywords. Source-level tracking follows the calls from offline marketing pieces, ads, mailers, brochures, billboards, and more. Long story short, if you can put a phone number on it, you can track it. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.